Assam versus Jammu and Assam's starting lineup: Kumkum, Sapnam, Sival, Rabia, Mehnaz, Sobia, Sadia, Afat, Shazia, and has got much more exciting matches for you. Group D's first match: Assam versus Jammu and Kashmir. Kickoff, living in the final third of J&K only. Shot comes again, and fumble. They've drawn the first blood in this match. They are in the lead, and this was coming. This was absolutely coming. They're trying to not give too many spaces, but this time around, again, those chances have been yielded by J&K, and they have completely taken advantage of all of those chances. Possession given. That's been the pattern. Shot taken again for them. It has been the walk in the park for them. Look at this. Shot taken. That's why the scoreline suggests so. This time again, very pathetic from J&K. Will be another goal, and that is it. 4-0. This is going to be a miserable outing for J&K. Lost the possession. Again, on the attack, jersey number 11. Got acres of space. Very easy for them. This was that opportunity. Comes in the box. Skips past one defender. Makes the run. Will again be given. And yes, it is. Assam back with another attack in the box. Can this be? In those added minutes. Looks like the 7th will be here. And it's on. Can we expect 3 more goals from Assam? Okay, Assam on yet another attack. Would it be the 8th goal? Yes, it is. 8 goals. Assam making a mockery of J&K. 8 goals. Assam making a mockery of J&K. But a comfortable collection, not yet again for J&K. Shot again, caught wanting. Look at that. This is horrible from J&K. J&K goalkeeper for J&K. They've not had anything to cheer for. Will it be a penalty given? Foul in the box? No. But 11th goal for sure. Now the question is, can they get to 15 goals? Looks like it is possible. Sure, from J&K, nothing to really comment about. Another brilliant run from jersey number 10. Will it be the right till the goal? There has been a brilliant effort from jersey number 10. Solo show from her. And that this was another corner opportunity. And it has been another goal. There's always a chance to come back. And there's always a next day. There was easy. Goalkeeper not really having an idea of what. They've got plenty of options in the box. Comes in the cross. Will it be a goal? Fantastic goal. This is the chance to introspect and reflect back on where they have committed the mistakes. Assam with another attack and another goal. Look at this opportunity. Twist and turn, shot taken on target, no chance for the goalkeeper. Jersey number 22. Will she be looking to put a long ranger and another opportunity, shot taken. This was that opportunity. Shot taken. No chance for the goalkeeper. Caught wanting. Possession again yielded by J&K. On target. Another goal this match. Goalkeeper had chance to keep their heads held high. At the end, Full time score Assam 19, Jammu and Kashmir nil.